factors. The pattern recognition advantage in venture investing. Let's start with why pattern recognition is the ultimate competitive advantage in early stage investing. The information asymmetry reality. When you're in the early stage, there is limited data, high uncertainty, and pattern recognition is crucial. At a later stage, more data is available, but opportunities are already too expensive. Let's talk about the pattern recognition hierarchy. At level 1, you have deal specific patterns. At level 2, you have sector specific patterns. At level 3, you have cross sector pattern recognition. And at level 4, you have meta pattern recognition. Let's talk specifically about the technology wave lifecycle framework. You have phase 1 wherein you have infrastructure development. It is too early for most. The characteristics are that the technology exists, but the infrastructure is incomplete. When you're talking about phase 2, it is early adoption and experimentation, which is basically the sweet spot wherein you can operate. And then you have phase 3, which is the mainstream adoption and scaling, which leads to good returns. When we're talking about market creation opportunities, the characteristics are that there are new behavior patterns that are emerging and there is undefined market size. Let's also in parallel look at the market size expansion framework. You have the TAM today, which is current total addressable market. You have TAM expanded, which is market size if the solution succeeds in changing behavior. Then you have the TAM created, new market that emerges from behavioral change. Let's now talk about the business model innovation and competitive mode patterns. Recognizing the business model innovation and defensibility patterns before they become obvious is wherein you want to operate. The business model innovation framework. First and foremost, you have the revenue model innovation patterns, usage-based pricing, align pricing with the customer value realization. When you're talking with the cost structure innovation patterns, there is variable cost elimination, software versus hardware, digital versus physical. When you're talking about the competitive mode development pattern analysis, you have data network effects, which is the strongest mode.